Rohit Naragaru is not a very chapar person.
Yes.
I'm a very chapar
Personality
person.
also.
Right.
Can
I'm a
say.
very chapar person and he's not. And like also the we have a little age difference and I was like, I just talk random things, okay?
Yeah.
And he would be like, okay, no. Because so like I think the most of the times we used to, do scenes, we used to pick up a topic to talk about, maybe books or maybe something about the life or, how do you do this or that. So like, I think so all the scenes where we were doing, the long conversations kind of, we used to always talk.
Did he help you with some of the words or learn?
Yeah, he did.
Like,
so sometimes he used to tell me particularly, no, say this, pronounce this like this only. Only then you will get the lip sync.
Okay.
And I was like, okay. And then he also helped me, what do you say? Maybe do scripts sometimes, and also he translated it, like a lot of stuff for me. So yeah.
So I mean, you had a comfortable time.
Yeah.
Like people say language is a barrier, but you overcome. When the love for acting is there, right?
Yeah, and when I was doing the film, I myself started learning Telugu. So I have a teacher and she used to teach me everything, and all the pronounces and like sentences, they used to teach me everything. So after a point, I started understanding and I could translate it myself. So yeah.
Good. So what have you learned? Anything you can make me learn now?
No, I don't think so.
Anything you, some words you have learned?
I mean, the most basic is repu.
Okay.
Then Ikkada,
good.
Ikkada, Akkada. Then
you're looking like a sweet baby.
Buddu, Kavali.
Kavali, very good.
So like all of these words I have learned.
Hello, Naru.
Baunanu.
Oh, you understood. I thought of making you.
I understand.
You understood.
I mean, if you ask any of the direction team, they will tell you that I started understanding by the.
Hello, Naru. Okay.
Baunanu.
Kuchu and
sit. Yeah, I got that, but I didn't know how to reply to that. I will understand.
Okay.
That is one thing.
So you have started learning.
Yeah.
I mean, now we cannot make you fool.
You cannot. The best part is, so I never told anyone that I started learning Telugu. Okay? And on set, so like everybody used to think that, oh, she does not know Telugu. And I was like, the one, okay. Like I would just keep quiet and listen to everyone and I would understand.
So what's going around you, you know it, right?
Yeah.
They're thinking that she don't know. She'll not. So anything you have heard about it?
No, like, I'm not going to tell you that. I didn't tell them. Why will I tell them?
So means the secrets cannot be revealed in Telugu.
Yeah.
That's good.